Hi, Billy Mays here.
Hi, Billy Mays here.
Are you tired of throwing paper airplanes by hand?
No.
Look at that. That was trash.
No.
Now there's an easier way with our automatic paper airplane launcher. Just pull the rubber band over the back, stick the paper airplane into the slot, push your thumb up on the trigger, and watch it fly a whole 3 feet. This'll launch your planes better than anything you've ever seen.
That's a lot of damage.
With this power at your fingertips, there is no limit to the fun you can have. Our amazing design will ensure that you can throw like a pro every time. This super great launcher is made out of only the highest quality materials. Just look at how it holds up to even our toughest tests.
Now that's a lot of damage.
Still not convinced? All this can be yours for just 9 easy payments of $999.99.
But wait, there's more.
If you order right now, we'll double your offer and send you 2 paper airplanes.
But wait, there's more.
If you are the first to call, we'll send you the display model for free. So what are you waiting for? Order now.
Sit. Okay, good girl.
Could! You could!
Order now.
You could do that!